Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surya Johnson, your medical coding guide. If you're new to this channel, I am Surya Johnson. I am a medical coding professional. In this channel, I teach everything under the medical coding world. All about the medical coding guidelines, exams, how to crack the exam, tips, tricks, and how to appear for an interview. And all the questions that you ask in this medical coding field, I'm here to help. Now, today we're talking about the most important thing every experienced medical coder should know to land in your new job role. These are the common mistakes that might be stopping you from landing the next great job. You might have years of experience, multiple certifications, maybe even a specialty or two. But if you're not getting interviews, it's not about your skills. It's about your strategy. Let's talk about the top 5 mistakes experienced coders make when applying for the jobs. And of course, how to fix each one. Mistake number 1, not updating resume keywords. Let's start with the resume. Even an experienced medical coder can be overlooked if their resume is not speaking the correct language. Many experienced coders use the same resume they have had for years, but job descriptions and softwares have changed. Most healthcare organizations use application tracking system, which is called as ATS, to track the resumes, the keywords that they require an employee. So these application tracking system, they track according to those keywords only. There are high chances that even before your resume reaches to a human being, it has been rejected by this application tracking system. So always update your resume according to the job descriptions in the job post. I suggest you to mirror the job description. If they are looking into your resume and if their keywords are matching up with their keywords, there are high chances for your resume to be selected. So update your resume according to the job post. Don't use the same resume for all the application. Mistake number 2, listing duties, not achievements. The second big mistake here is listing what you did, but not what you accomplished. A lot of coders write the same thing. Review chat, coded with accuracy, using these softwares. That's what every coder does. But the hiring managers wanted to see the impact that you have created. So show your achievements, not only listings. For example, reviewed 120 plus outpatient charts, showing 95 to 97 audit accuracy and with 0 compliance issues. So that is measurable and it adds value. So the tip here is, use numbers wherever possible, like your accuracy rate, charts per day, denial reduction percentage, what you did to do all these things. All these things should be highlighted in your resume. Mistake number 3, skipping or reusing the cover letter. Number 3 is the cover letter. I know nobody likes writing them, but skipping this step or reusing the same cover letter for all jobs is a missed opportunity. Think of your cover letter as a handshake. It's a chance to say, here's why my experience in cardiology coding fits your requirement perfectly. That extra customization makes you memorable. Always adapt your cover letter according to the organization that you're applying to. Also, in this cover letter, you should mention your organization that you're currently working for, the specialty or any recent initiative that you have made, and your number of years of experience in that specialty and your overall experience years. The 4th mistake here is weak or outdated online presence. Even if your resume is solid, hiring managers are Googling these days. They can just Google and find you in the LinkedIn. And for coders, that often means checking LinkedIn or your AAPC member profile. If your profile photo is 10 years old and your headline states medical coder, but you're being a senior or an experienced medical coder, your headline still states like a trainee medical coder or a junior medical coder, then what is the impact that gives to the hiring organization? And if your certifications are not updated, so all these things should be taken considered. So always make sure that you show a very strong online presence, especially in LinkedIn. The way your profile reinforces your professionalism and shows recruiters you're active in your field. So update your certifications, all your specialties, add a banner image related to your healthcare, post occasionally. Just a mild visibility is enough. Mistake number 5, poor interview preparations. Many coders assume they'll get only the technical questions. No. These days, they are asking beyond the technical questions also. They'll be asking behavioral questions, how you'll handle the pressure, teamwork, or compliance issues. So they'll be asking much more than what you're doing. If you have ever helped to resolve an issue in your organization, your previous organization, or you helped in reducing the denial rates, discuss about that in the interview. Discuss and explain yourself in detail in the interview. Don't miss those opportunities. If you have ever helped resolve a denial claim or worked on an audit, talk about it. Frame your answer with the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. For example, in my last role, I noticed recurring denials due to modifier error. That is your situation. I analyzed the patterns. That is your task. Provided feedback to the team and created a quick reference sheet. That is your action. Our denial rate dropped by 12% in 1 quarter. That is your result. That's the kind of story that stands out. And one quick bonus tip: stay current with the coding updates. Employees love candidates who show that they are committed to their professional growth. Staying current always sets you apart. So to recap, the top mistakes are outdated resume keywords, listing duties instead of your achievements, skipping personalized cover letters, weak online presence, and the last and most important thing, poor interview preparation. If you fix these, your experience will finally get the attention it deserves. If you found this video to be useful, please hit the like button and share with all your experienced medical coders so let them land in their next dream job. Let's see in the next medical coding related videos. This is Surya Johnson, your medical coding guide.